I am a landscape and a silence. I am a workshop looking out onto the Swiss mountains at 1,000 meters above sea level. In a town dedicated to secular watchmaking craftsmanship. I am the birthplace of Chanel watches, imagined and designed by Arnaud Chastain in Paris, and created here in La Chaux-de-Fonds. I am a home for the imagination, a heartland for tradition, a haven for innovation. I am the locus of all that is possible, where the curves of design are redrawn 100 times to attain perfection, produced as a prototype, then metamorphosed into a watch creation. I am a multitude of savoir-faire and expertise, often demanding years of apprenticeship. I am the magician of the tourbillon and the jumping hours, the alchemist of ceramic, the enchanter of the most precious of materials. I am precision and exactness. I am the beating heart of each Chanel timepiece, from the simplest to the most complex. I trace the path of eternity. I am patience and passion. I am the Chanel watch manufacturer.